morning. It is an unusually cool and mild morning today. I'm going to take that as a good sign of things to come. So I want to start off by answering some pretty fundamental questions like, what is the Menefee Formation and what is a formation in general? And the easiest way to do that, I suppose, is just to show you. So let's take a quick walk. So, most simply, the Menefee Formation is all of this. It is a terrestrial Campanian age formation, which might not mean anything at the moment, but I'll try to explain what all that means. So a geologic formation is basically a package of rock. Think about if you're in a post office and someone hands you a package and you place it on the floor, then someone hands you another package and you place it on top of that, and another one on top of that, and basically you end up with stacks of packages. And geologically speaking, a formation is a particular package that has all been laid down in roughly the same place at roughly the same time. Now, since the package that you are handed first is at the bottom of the stack, that makes it the oldest, and geology works the same way. The rocks that are below the Menefee Formation are typically older, and the rocks that are above it are typically younger. On our drive here, we actually drive through a number of other formations, including the Kirtland and then the Fruitland and the Cliff House Sandstone, until finally arriving at the Menefee. And the Menefee itself is anywhere between 78.5 and 84 million years old. We don't know exactly sure how old it is quite yet. Now, the world that the Menefee Formation preserves is quite different from the world that we see today. This black layer, which you can follow all around the area, and there's a number of them, is actually a very low-grade coal called humate. It's fairly easy to break apart. Oof. And inside is just a bunch of organic matter. So this area, back when the Menefee Formation was being formed, was a gigantic swamp. Now in this swamp lived a number of large reptiles, including turtles, crocodiles, and dinosaurs. And it's their bones they've left behind, such as this one, that we're here to study.